the daily Bitcoin DCA because USD just ain't the way. It's currently October 3rd, 2025. We are sitting at block high 917,527. One Bitcoin will run you $121,810-ish dollars, and $1 will get you 821 sats. Market cap creeping up on 2.5 trillion. The system is still running flawlessly. Hash rate still over 1,000 exahash. Fees getting a little high. Nothing to worry about. Still a good time to consolidate them UTXOs. 23,000 reachable nodes. Average block time is still 10 minutes. System is still looking good, doing exactly what we want it to do. Still gonna only ever be 21 million Bitcoin in existence. If we come take a look at our Z-score, slowly creeping up, 2.4. We heading to the threes. If we come take a look at the floor, slowly climbing up as well. If we take a look, it's at 53,249, up a little bit from yesterday. Come take a look at some technicals. We trying to crack that all-time high. 63 on the weekly RSI. And look at that MACD trying to get up there and cross over. We finna see if we're gonna go creep up here, touch the 70 like we did back in July, and try to again in the middle of July. If we take a look at Bitcoin's inverse, BITI, if we take a look at the weekly RSI on that, it's coming down, sitting at 35. As we know, as Bitcoin price runs up, BITI is going to run down. As Bitcoin price comes down, BITI is going to run up. If we come take a look at the charts, take a look at the buys. Here goes Bitcoin buys of the day. Got in at $122,146 as the fill. If we take a look at the overall account, that's still up a little bit. And then if we take a look at the BITI buys, right there, I think this is probably the lowest price I bought in at BITI. And look at what we got coming up here. Nice little divvy coming. Nice little payout coming for, owning a little bit of shares in BITI. So that's just more money that's going to go into Bitcoin in the future. And it's crazy because I didn't even really check to see if there was even a dividend on this. I was literally just getting it just because it's the inverse. So I really, like I said, this really was just parking the money instead of trying to get some yield on USDC. And I believe Coinbase offers like 3.5 or 4% that you have access to. I want to see what this is going to do percentage wise. And then after the whole plays out, if I want to look and possibly try a different route, then I'll, adjust when that time comes. But until we hit, the play is stack $1 every day in Bitcoin, stack $1 every day in BITI. Once our Z-score hits this 0, which is, based on history, considered extremely oversold, I'm going to pour whatever's in BITI and do a mass buy into Bitcoin, and we're going to compare, see how many sats I'm able to accumulate from that buy, see what type of average cost it's going to be, so we can do a good comparison to see, what would be the better route to go. That's the whole point of this experiment. So, that's the route I'm going to go for now. And then, once we do that and hit that and see what it does, maybe I'll adjust. But for now, this is just the path. I could be parking that money in something extremely safe in USDC, just get that yield, and then, mass buy when we hit that point. Either way. So this is just, to make it a little fun, see what shakes from it. So why not throw a little spice into the mix? But the main things is this column right here, number C. This is how much Bitcoin I'm accumulating, and then column number I, the 200-week moving average, our floor. Okay, those are the two most important columns. We want to see this number continue to go up, and we want to see this number to continue to go up. Okay, so regardless of, you know, all the other stuff, those are the important things. You know, that's the name of the game. Get as much Bitcoin as you can. So today is the 24th day. This is how much Bitcoin has been accumulated. This is how much the account is worth. Today is the highest price since doing this that Bitcoin has been. And then this is also the highest that the Z-score has been. And then this is also the highest that the RSI has been. And then our floor is slowly creeping up. If we come take a look at BITI, got that full share. We got our DVD, our dividend payout coming at this, you know, I think it said on the 7th is when I get that. This is the total amount contributed in dollar terms. This is what the, this is the total contributed, and then this is what the account value is in USD terms. And I believe 17.15 is the lowest that I bought in at since I've been doing this. So that's all I got, and I'll catch you again tomorrow.